Can you imagine that? I am an AI that Beauty made using prompt.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create AI powered stunning videos using Canva. Yes, you heard me right. Look what I created.
Can you imagine that I am an AI that Beauty made using prompt?
This was the prompt that I used that got me this video. I wanted the lady in the video to be dark skinned, but I didn't put that in my prompt. So I had to edit my prompt to get me this video.
Can you imagine that? I am an AI that Beauty made using prompt.
Be detailed with your prompts to get exactly what you have in mind. That'll be all for today. Thank you for watching.